Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. This is a video about license plate number recognition using support vector machine or SVM. So these are the members. Group leader is Mrs. Hanifah binti Sulaiman and the members are Mrs. Nora Baizura Muhammad Isa, Hani Fatiyah and Nurul Nadira Sharudin. As an introduction, automation of vehicle number plate recognition has been used for several years in most countries. License plate number recognition system or Lpnrs is a system used for identifying a license plate number of vehicle which registered in database. The technology is based on the image processing, where the image of license plate will be captured and processed based on the developed algorithm. Image processing is used to extract useful information from an image. In image processing, the image will be captured from camera and converted in grayscale image. Image processing is used widely to process digital images. SVM algorithm is commonly applied in image processing. It can address image and signal processing with related problems such as identification, speech recognition, text classification, face detection, and faulty card detection. However, vehicle plate recognition system has a limitation and difficulties to implement in a various places. This is because as plate format itself is different, varies, and the uncertainty image condition. This is about Lpnrs system, process, and mechanism. As you can see in the picture, a camera will be captured the license plate of vehicle. The image will be act as an input in the system. The system will be recognize the license plate number and search the plate number in the database. If the system recognize and detect the license plate number in the database, therefore it will allow the vehicle to enter and barricade will be open. Lpnr is not something new in this work, but it is still not be fully known in Malaysia. Lpnr can be applied in many places such as car parking, traffic system, speed trap system, residential house, workplace, and many more. Now, it is about problem-related invention. As a problem, residents or staff usually forgot to bring or lost their access card. It will be made they unable to enter a parking lot and cause a traffic jam. During heavy rain, it is hard for residents or staff to scan the access card onto scan device. It is also difficult for them to completely stop the vehicle and wind down the window to scan the access card because of limited reading range. As a solution, Lpnr system takes a picture of the number of vehicle and residents or staff do not need to wind down the window. This system also will recognize the plate number based on the resident or staff detail that has been registered. As a contribution of Lpnr towards social, it includes three types. The first one, it is about security improvement. With Lpnr camera, you will have 24 hours eyes at the barricade. Second, it is about cost effective. It will be able to cut costs and reduce the need for security personnel. The third one, it is about information evidence. System can provide you with the details regarding when and who enter the place. As a methodology, it includes three stages. The first stage, it is about data collection. Second stage, it is about algorithm development for license plate number recognition. And the last stage, it is about license plate number detection or control access. The experimental process has been applied using MATLAB version R2020A. In the data collection stage, the questionnaire will be distributed to 26 students postgraduate from FSKM. We choose this sample because they are permit and registered at bahagian keselamatan Iidex Shah Alam to park their car in FSKM parking lot. The data that has been collected in terms of student identity, image of license plate number, and others. Figure 2 shows a sample of questionnaire. In these slides, it is about the findings from the questionnaire. Based on the findings, there are 100% respondents are familiar with the access card. 92.3% of respondents aware that FSKM uses access card to get access through the barrier gate. 38.5% respondents will agree about access card is the best device to open automatic barrier gate. 34.6% respondents strongly agree. 23.1% respondents fair and 3.8% disagree. And it has 73% respondents answered that they often forgot to bring access card. And now we have 92.3% agree if access card changed to license plate number recognition or Lpnr. Next, it is about algorithm development for license plate number recognition. In this stage, we have about 7 steps. The first step, it is about input image, pre-processing image, license plate localization, character segmentation, pre-recognition character enhancement, character recognition using SVM, and storing in file. As you can see, this is a framework of algorithm development for license plate number recognition. It is started with original image or input image, and then the original image will be converted into grayscale image, and then convert into binary image, reduced noise image, and the image will be localized. Next, image will be segmentized, and the last part, we have pre-recognition image. So now we will discuss about pre-processing image. In pre-processing image, it has about 4 steps. The first step, from the original image, it will be transformed into grayscale image. And next, from grayscale image, it will transform into binary image. And from binary image, the noise will be removed and the color will be changed from black to white and white to black. All the process has been used combined in MATLAB R2020A as shown in this slide. Next step, it is about license plate localization. In this step, the image will be localized. It has about 4 steps. The first step, we need to find the maximum dimension of character. Second step, we need the size of every character calculate. Third step, we need to measure of what pixel density. And the last step, the area will be set from 0 to 30. If it is too small or too long, the image will be discarded. Next step about character segmentation. In this step, each character will be segmentized. In order to segmentize each character, we use the command that has been shown in this slide. The bounding box with green color is used to segment for each character. Next step, it is about pre-recognition character enhancement. Each character will be binarized adaptively and cropped from the center of each character. Enhance characters by separate the character individually based on the segmentation process. The command is used as shown in this slide. Next step, it is about character recognition using SVM. For this process, we use linear SVM. Each character that has been cropped and binarized will be classified with pre-trained 36 SVMs. Pre-trained 36 SVM is a set of training data belonging to different classes which are alphabet and number. The alphabet consists of 26 capital letters while the number consists of 10 digits. Last step is storing the number plate in a file. In order to store the number plate that has been recognized, we use this command. After license plate number has been recognized, the next stage is about license plate number detection. In the figure 4, It is shown the process of license plate number detection. In this process, recognized license plate number will be detected based on the registered license plate number in database. If the system detects license plate number in database, it will give the information that the vehicle is allowed to enter and barrier will be open. Otherwise, the barrier gate does not open. This system will produce two types of messages. They are a detailed information and the other one is permit message. Inventiveness features of the invention is divided into four categories. The first one, Lpnr detected the license plate number images and recognized every character of license plate number using support vector machine. Second, license plate number will be compared from data that have been stored in database. Third, recognized dialog box will be appeared if the license plate number is successful to extract and show the detail of the visitor. The last one, permit dialog box will be appeared if the registered visitor has been recognized. This is a graphical user interface for license plate number recognition system. In this interface, it has five components. The first component is a license plate number image. Next component, we have four buttons. They are visitors plate number, recognize button, next and exit button. First, we insert image and then we press recognize button to recognize the image or to recognize the plate number, and it will produce two messages. The first is an extract and the second message is about permit message. If the system recognizes the license plate number, then it's allowed to enter and the barrier gate will be open. Lpnr system can be commercialized in such area: gated and guarded house, clubhouse, private premises. As a publication, this paper has been presented in ICMS 2021 on 4 to 5 August 2021. That's all from us. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.